Hi guys, it's me Shane here, and I'm here with my friend Kieran. And today we are going to be playing with slime. And that way, so if you hear like sound and that over there, by the moment I'm working the TV, so yeah, while we're doing a video, so. And you might have seen these two from a video. Well, this one you might have seen from a video. This doll making slime, which is doll playing with slime. So I'm gonna be playing with this one first. Yeah, and some of these I added stuff into, and then I haven't. So. Oh, I can actually tell you something that's like hilarious. What happened? Just like a few minutes ago. So I made something, put it in a backpack, came back, looked in her backpack, and then the slime exploded. Wow. The slime literally exploded. Like, literally exploded. And learning that's even that you could do with these ones, so. I'm not playing with this one. So. It's just slime. Yeah. And how about we put these up so they don't get dried out? Because we don't want that to be dried out. And I'll hang this like one. This is supposed to be like, this is butter slime. This one's butter slime. Fill it. Like go like that. So if you want to have my butter slime, so pretty much you just get clay. So you make slime, then add clay into it. Then there you have it. You have butter slime. Watch, I made a bubble. Then I do that. Then I. Yeah, so we're pretty much not salty. I don't know why. Yeah. I think I'm gonna probably get more slime for us to play with that I have on the shelf. So, you want me to go get some more slime? So Kiana is gonna maybe talk to you, and yeah, she's like shy, so yeah. You can just watch her play with slime. The biggest streaming collection of British TV ever, from brand new shows to loved classics. Oh, that's good news. Very good. Binge Britain's best on Britbox. Start a free trial today at britbox.com. Did you have braces and then lose your retainer like I did? I had this one tooth that was nagging at me every time I looked in the mirror. So I started. Okay, so you guys see this one, right? Well, this one, I did not make this. A friend of mine made this for me. A friend of mine did, so that we go to school together. That's a little bit sticky, but oh well. They start at $95, including prescription lenses. Right now, watching a good for a age test. So if Kiana is not talking, this is that she is shy, and yeah, she's just shy. Right. So yeah, she's shy. Okay, so wait. I tell him what dog you're doing. You're doing with dolls. You want me to tell? Okay, so you're just like playing with dolls as we were playing with dolls, and guess what? So the doll just jumped, and then she was taking autographs, and then from that came up to her and said, "Can I have an autograph?" And then Jojo said, "Where?" And then she said, "On my foot." Yeah, and we were just like laughing. Do you want to end the video? You want to? You want to? Yes? Okay, well, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and like the video. Bye guys!